Have you guys ever tried Indian fried breads? This balloon bread is immensely popular by the name of Bhatura and is enjoyed with chickpea curry known as chole masala or chana masala. Hi guys, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Before heading towards the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet or if you are new to the channel. Let's start off. I'm gonna start with soaking 2 tablespoons of semolina, also known as Rawa, Suji or cream of wheat in a cup of water for 15 minutes. You can very easily grab a packet of semolina from any Indian store. But anyhow, if you don't get it, you can skip it. So see, it's been 15 minutes since I soaked the semolina and it has become so nice and soft. So this is how it should look like after being soaked. Alright, now in a large bowl I have taken 1 pound or 17 ounces or 500 grams of flour. This is your refined all-purpose flour, your regular flour, also known as Maida. This is not the whole wheat flour from which you make the regular rotis or chapatis. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1/3 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. If you don't have baking soda and baking powder, you can add Eno fruit salt instead. Then add all the soaked semolina or Suji here. Look how nicely our Suji has been soaked. Add all the Suji here. There we go. This soaked semolina will give a nice structure to the bhaturas, so please don't forget to add it. Now add 1 cup of plain yogurt. You can also add simple homemade curd. Adding yogurt or curd or dahi will help the dough to ferment properly. So this is one of the most important ingredient of the recipe, so do add it. Now add some water in this bowl and keep it aside. We will use it while kneading the dough. Alright, now mix all the ingredients nicely into the flour. Do not add any water right now. First we need to mix all the things properly. So use your hands and mix for 5 minutes. Then slowly and gradually add water and make a soft dough. Don't forget to use that yogurt water kept in the bowl. Do you know the most important thing to make bhatura is the way you knead its dough. You really need to work upon this dough and activate the gluten properly, otherwise your bhatura will not fluff up and soften the way it should be. Now cover the dough with a plate or a muslin cloth for good 45 minutes to 1 hour. Proper resting and fermentation is the key to a good bhatura. So please don't be in a hurry while making the dough for bhatura. Then after around 45 minutes to 1 hour, open the dough and apply some oil in your hands and give few more punches to the dough. Then take out medium-sized balls out of the dough. See, like this. Remember, the dough ball for bhatura should be bigger than your regular roti or tortilla ones. This is because bhaturas are much more bigger than rotis or tortillas, so just be mindful. Now we need to roll the bhatura. Always take heavy rolling board for this step. Like my chopping board is lighter than my rolling board, so I'll swap my chopping board with the rolling board. Now apply some oil on the board so that the dough doesn't stick to it. Traditionally, while rolling out bhaturas, we don't use dry flour, so oil is damn necessary in this step. Now keep the dough ball and flatten it out 10 to 15 times with your fingers before using the rolling pin. Then roll it out in outwards direction. So guys, there is a specific way to roll out bhaturas, else you will not be able to handle such a soft dough. So watch carefully how I am rolling it out. Instead of rotating the bhatura, rotate the rolling board itself. This way your bhaturas will come out perfect without much effort. Now take some oil in a pan and heat it properly. Once done, deep fry the bhatura from both the sides until it gets these nice and golden spots on it. Guys, please be very careful at this step because oil is bubbling hot. These balloon-like bhatura tastes awesome with chickpea curry or chana masala. So do try it out for sure. When they are fried, don't forget to tilt it to let go all the excess oil. Also use a kitchen towel to get rid of that excess oil. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for sure. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.